I'm here today at an autocross with the Corvette Club of Michigan, meeting up with a few people and just doing some runs in the BRZ. This is only my third autocross in the BRZ in all these years. Can you believe that? So getting back into it, wearing off the rest of these Falcon Azini RT615K tires, and we'll see how it goes. Should be a fun day. There's my buddy Tom and his Corvette.
Comes in with a 34, 138, 34, 138. Crosses the line with a 35, 130.
Just remember I'm delicate and we're getting married.
Okay. Charlotte's first autocross.
It is. Should I hang on? There's no oh shit bar.
Yeah, you'll be okay. The seat will keep you in nicely. Yeah.
Go.
That's it. 36.7. How you feel? Wasn't too bad, was it? We're gonna do one more here. Third run. That felt pretty good.
Okay.
I can find a little bit more time in there.
Go.
A second off. 35.4. Cool. How you feeling, my love?
Good.
We're next. We're hot lapping.
Is this it?
This is one more, I think.
This is the last one?
One more after this.
Okay. Okay.
How you doing?
Good. Focus, my love. Focus. Focus.
Car's feeling quicker.
Good.
Feels good. Sorry. There we go.
Yeah.
Good, good. Let's go wide here. Keep it in. That wasn't as good there. That was a little bit slower.
Yeah.
I can do better than that.
Okay.
That 35.4 was nice, but
okay.
I understeered.
Okay.
Brake too late.
I feel nauseous, so last one.
Okay.
Please.
This is the last one.
Okay.
If you want, you can hop out. But
No, go. You
okay.
just go for it.
Okay, we're going for
I
it, my
believe
love.
in you.
We are going for it.
I believe.
Roll down my window a little bit. Want me to roll down your window?
Last run.
Last run, this is it.
Yeah, yeah. I couldn't see anything.
Guns blazing.
At least 2 sets of lights.
I missed that. No, That's a throwaway.
Damn it.
My brakes locked up.
It's okay.
So 34.4 was my quickest.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I couldn't make that slalom.
No. Your brakes did what?
They just didn't,
Yeah.
I was hitting ABS. So, I was going too fast.
Okay.
All right, well, there you go. That's
You did it.
autocross.
I kept my eyes closed almost the whole time. I did. I tried to keep it open at the beginning and then I was like, fuck that. I like how quiet his car is.
Yeah, Victor's car is nice.
Oh my god, watch out.
Oh, jeez.
Jeez.
Here comes Fred.
Bud, jump up.
You just got right through there.
You just went.